Welcome back, traders, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you're finding valuable information in my videos. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 and look at the price action for today. This morning, it opened higher, but sold off and gave back most of the gains from yesterday. I still own, I'm still long the ETF, but I'm not happy with today's action. My stop loss is underneath the 20-day moving average. Although I'm not happy with today's price action, I'm still gonna give it the benefit of the doubt until it proves me that I'm wrong. Then my stop will get hit, and I'll look for the next setup. A very volatile market, to say the least. Looking at the hourly chart, you can see yesterday's price action, big rally, and today just made a U-turn and it closed around this area. Um, I like how it bounced off the 20-day moving average and closed just above the 5-day moving average. If tomorrow gaps down below that area, it will make it very difficult for me to manage. So I'll probably end up selling first thing in the morning. But I have to trade my plan, so I decided not to sell until I get stopped out. Looking at the Nasdaq 100, this one's a different story. This one pretty much gave back all the gains from yesterday. And I got stopped out. My stop loss, it was around this area. I think somewhere around there. And I got stopped out. So I'm flat. I'm just getting chopped up trading the Nasdaq 100. It was a good buy last week when I bought it here, and I ended up selling here, and then I bought here, then sold here, then I bought yesterday here, and I sold down here today. So I'm getting chopped up. I'm not planning on trading this one until it proves to me that it can get above this trend line, not trend line, resistance line, which is around 16,450, or it trades comes back to around this level or the 100-day moving average. But here in between, I'm not planning on buying or selling here, not shorting, not going long. I'm just getting chopped up. I want to wait until it comes out of that this consolidation right here, this range, either up here or down here. Looking at the 5-minute chart, you can see the price action for today. It gapped up. This is yesterday. This was yesterday, and then today gapped up and then just basically sold off all day long, almost like a straight line all day long with a tiny little bounce at the end of the day. So that was the Nasdaq 100. Terrible price action. Looking at the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, very similar price action to the Nasdaq, and a big reversal after yesterday's big rally. So this one's looking not good. If this one breaks below this support line right here, it can really trigger a big sell-off. If it just stays around this area here, like I said, same as the Nasdaq, I'm not planning on buying, not shorting, not buying until it moves either below that line here or above that line up here. Here in between, I'm just gonna get chopped up, so I'm not interested until I see that it wants to trend either higher or lower. And then for the Russell 2000 small cap ETF IWM, same old, same old. Doing nothing after the big uh, breakout failure. It just gets quick bounces in a downtrend, and it just keeps dipping lower. Gives me no reason to own it. I think it'll probably take weeks before it resumes its uptrend. That's a big if. Probably wants to go lower. At the hourly chart, you can more clearly see the downtrend. Here, went down, bounce here, and looks like it wants to go lower. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Thank you for watching.